Live from Huntsville, Alabama, it's the Huntsville Hamfest. Hello everybody, welcome back to Huntsville and the Von Braun Center for day 2 of the Huntsville Hamfest. Now, I said in yesterday's video where I set up the POTA kit that I forgot to bring my SD card to the convention center with me. So unfortunately, that's a problem. So unfortunately, no footage from yesterday. So what you're gonna see in here today is a lot lower of a crowd. Sunday's traditionally a lower group. So we'll start in the flea market, do a walk around, let you see what there is to see. There are several flea market vendors that have already gone home, so don't be surprised to see empty tables. But I can assure you that yesterday this place was full. So let's get started.
I got it. I sold 3 birds yesterday.
Little tube tester there. So again, many open tables. This was full yesterday.
Yep.
Tools and different things. On this side we got tuners and amps. $800 for that 800 watt Ameritron. $700 for a 7300 OG. You want to sew? You want to pick up some sewing stuff? Come to a Hamfest. I get it, it's free market enterprise, but I am not a fan.
Probably said either one.
Again, this part of the flea market is pretty barren. These drive-over plates are nice for your mast. And guys, I'm not going to bore you with this much of the flea market, at least in this section. But we're looking for a bargain, you know. It's the last day of the show. It's now 11:41 as of this recording, and signal link for $75. I might want that for my G90. Need something to be able to run FT8 with that G90. All kinds of amps. Here's an old ICOM 720. This table is pretty barren. Got some antennas here. There's a glass mount antenna. Computers. It's $20 for that. Alright, again, I'm briefly giving y'all the flea market. You can see a lot of things are gone. Lots of things are gone. This is a radio I've not seen before. TMV7 from Kenwood. Got some antenna analyzer. Frequency counter.
Not much bigger than a big cane. HamShack man.
How's it going? And guys, if you do see me at a Hamfest, feel free to holler at me. If I do have a camera in my hand, it's probably not the greatest thing to holler at me, but I love when y'all talk to me. I love it. If you're into the CB world or 10-meter world, you got the presidents here. Bill FCC, Johnson 2, McKinley, Ronald, and Lincoln 2. Got some telescoping masts here. You can get the mast and tripod for under $1,000, 50-foot mast. There's a small crown amplifier there. Some old ENG news equipment. These are great. I've used those in my years in television and things like that. This one's pretty well mint. It's it's even in its Pelican case. Beta decks, XD cam. Wow, portable editing. It's all something from generations back before we edited on laptops. Tower Electronics is here, of course. It's all your typical Hamfest stuff. Quicksilver. So on and so forth. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up the flea market. Again, it's quite abbreviated because it is Sunday. A lot of things have gone home, that kind of stuff. So that's going to wrap that one up. Guys, this episode is brought to you by World Radio League and Ham Radio Prep. Great company, guys. If you're looking for the best logging app ever, World Radio, they got desktop app, they got cat control, all that good stuff. Free to use, but there are bonus features if you have a paid membership. Use coupon code HamShackTV, get you 10% off those paid memberships. And then also, if you are looking to get your ham radio license or upgrade, no better time to do it than now. No better time, no better place to study is at hamradioprep.com. Use coupon code HamShackTV, get you 10% off of that. And they're so confident they can help you pass your exam. They offer a money-back guarantee. See website for details, hamradioprep.com, coupon code HamShackTV. For now, that's the third stop on the HamShackTV Hamfest tour, fueled by Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League. In our next episode, we're going to come over here and take a look at the commercial vendors before they get all packed up. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. 73 AA4WX WSCB 693.